Do you smell that? Tonight, Emma is at a famous night market in Chiang Mai. There is so much food here. Today, you will learn 3 phrases to order food in English. When you want food, you need 3 important phrases. Number 1, I want. Number 2, how much. Number 3, I'll have. Let's practice. Follow Emma through the market. Emma sees a noodle stall. She is hungry. She says, I want noodles, please. I want tells people what you need. Say it with me. I want noodles, please. Your turn. What do you want? Say, I want. Please. Great job. Now sees beautiful mangoes. But wait, how much do they cost? She asks, how much is the mango? We say, how much is for one thing. What about many things? How much are the mangoes? Is for one, are for many. Say it with me. How much is the mango? Now try. How much are the mangoes? Emma is thirsty now. She sees coconut drinks. She says, I'll have a coconut drink, please. I'll have is a polite way to order. It is more polite than I want. At a restaurant or a market, use I'll have. Say it with me. I'll have a coconut drink, please. Quiz time. Let's see if you remember. You are hungry. You see pad thai. What do you say? I want pad thai, please. Or even better, I'll have pad thai, please. You see a t-shirt. You want to know the price. What do you ask? How much is the t-shirt? Perfect. Today you learned 3 phrases. I want, to say what you need. How much, to ask the price. I'll have, to order politely. Now you can order food in English. Next time, Emma goes shopping at the market. She will learn to say, too expensive. Subscribe and come back to learn with Emma.